Good day, students. I hope you're doing well. Today, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of circle. Our objectives for today include illustrate a circle and the terms related to it: circumference, radius, diameter, chord, center, arc, chord, segment, tangent, secant, and sector. Determine the measures, coordinates, angles, and common types of angle of a unit circle. And lastly, find a solution to a challenging situation involving a circle. Now, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of circles and explore the various terms associated with them. Let's begin by illustrating what a circle is. A circle is a closed figure which all points on the boundary are equidistant from the center. Picture it as a perfectly round shape. Now, let's break down the key terms related to a circle. First is center. The center is the point inside the circle from which all points on the circumference are equidistant. It's like the circle's heart. Next is diameter. The diameter is a straight passing through the center of the circle, connecting two points on the circumference. It's precisely twice the length of the radius. Next is radius. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on its boundary. We commonly denote it by the letter R. Next is sector. A sector is a region enclosed by two radii and an arc between them. It's like a slice of pizza in the circular world. Next is tangent. A tangent is a line that touches the circle at only one point and is perpendicular to the radius at that point. Next is segment. A segment is a region enclosed by an arc, and the chord joining its endpoints is the area cut off by the chord. Next is arc. An arc is a part of the circumference, as like a portion of the circle's boundary. Arcs are often named based on the points they connect. Next is secant. A secant is a line that intersects the circle at 2 points. The line extends beyond the circle. And lastly, circumference. The circumference is the distance around the outer edge of the circle. It's like the circle's perimeter. We usually denote it by the symbol C. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the essential terms associated with circles. And now, we will delve to the second objective. An angle is formed when two rays of lines originate from a common point, the vertex. The measure of an angle is the amount of rotation needed to bring one ray to the position of the other, usually expressed in degrees or radians. As you can see in the slides, these are the degrees. Now these are the radians. These are the points of a circle, and the X and the Y. Now these are the types of angle. The 0-degree angle is the acute angle, an angle measuring less than 90 degrees. Next is the right angle, an angle measuring exactly 90 degrees. Next is obtuse angle. Next is straight angle, an angle measuring exactly 180 degrees. Next is the reflex angle. Next is the full rotation angle. Exploring the intricacies of the unit circle opens a gateway to understanding angles, coordinates, and their applications in the realm of trigonometry. Now, let us delve into the last objective. Now, a Ferris wheel is elevated 1 meter above the ground. When a car reaches the highest point on the Ferris wheel, its altitude from the ground level is 51 meters. How far away from the center, horizontally, is the car when it is at an altitude of 30 meters? Now, if the center of the given problem does not start in its origin, the formula that we will be using would be this formula. We will then just input all the given numbers to its corresponding formula. And this will be its solution, expressed in simple terms. Hence, the x is equal to approximately 24.68 meters. I think that's all for today's class. Thank you for your sincere participation.
Created using Powtoon.